The number of cases in Virginia related to this global pandemic is up to 41 statewide. 11 more cases were added to the official tally this afternoon. Only one of those new cases is in the Richmond metro. Our Matthew Fultz is live in Chesterfield with more on that case and a look at how local businesses are already feeling the effects of coronavirus.
Well, Jake, health leaders in Chesterfield County say that confirmed case was from a man who was in his 60s. Now, with all schools closing, we stopped to talk with some small businesses to see how the impact has and if it's impacted any of their customer flow.
Sean Martin spends his Saturday morning making T-shirts and hoodies.
We're a soccer specialty store, and we service a lot of the high schools and clubs in the area.
He and his wife have owned their Chesterfield store for nearly a year, selling everything soccer-related.
Coccer cleats, balls, shin guards, jerseys, and such.
Martin says this time of year is usually the busiest.
Because of all the starting of the high school league, high school teams and the club leagues and teams starting, and the tournaments.
But business has been the slowest to date, with recent school closings and sports cancellations due to the growing concerns of the coronavirus.
We were well over our goals every single day, every single week, and over the past couple of days we've kind of come to a screeching halt.
Chesterfield Health District confirmed Saturday morning its first case of the coronavirus, which was found in a male in his 60s who had recently returned from an international trip. Officials say the patient is doing well and did the right thing by self-isolating when he got home. Chesterfield Health District Director Dr. Alexander Samuel says the case does not come as a surprise, stating, "We have been on high alert for possible cases of residents with COVID-19 and are working hard to identify possible cases."
I only did the ones with the red check.
Meanwhile, response to the virus could impact small business owners like Martin for the foreseeable future.
A dip in the economy like this and a dip in sales like this can really harm or be very detrimental to small stores like us.
But he says they're continuing to look for other alternatives if things don't pick up.
Whether it's through, if we can find an outside event to go to, if we can find a way to add sales or find some way to get customers back out, we're just simply hoping that there comes a cure and things settle down very quickly.
Now, according to the National Federation of Independent Business, 73% of small businesses are not yet impacted by the outbreak, but 43% of small businesses say that they may be impacted if the outbreak were to spread over the next 3 months.